Hey, beach lovers! It's Charlotte, your ultimate guide to everything sun, sand, and sea. Today, we're whisking you away to one of the most jaw-dropping beaches on the planet, Leblon Beach in the heart of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Get ready to lose yourself in the magic of Leblon as we stroll along its dreamy golden shores, soaking up Rio's electric vibe and the stunning tropical views. Feel the heat of the sun-kissed sand beneath your toes. Tune in to the soothing rhythm of the waves and let yourself be swept away by the irresistible charm of this paradise. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment below to tell me which beach you'd love to see on our next adventure.